ever wondered why we need so many different telescopes? Like, surely this is overkill a little bit. Well, not really, and one of the main reasons for that is that these telescopes span the whole range of the electromagnetic spectrum. Light comes in a whole range of wavelengths. This is the electromagnetic spectrum, and the little bit of it that our eyes are sensitive to is the visible spectrum, but there is way more than that out there. And the universe looks very different depending on what wavelength of light you're looking at. As an example, meet the Sombrero Galaxy. This is the view of it from the Hubble Space Telescope. We're looking at invisible wavelengths of light, so this is the sort of light that our eyes are sensitive to. You're seeing a lot of starlight, including this big bulge in the middle, and then there's this dark line that's actually caused by dust. The dust around the galaxy blocks the starlight behind it, creating this sort of brim of a hat with a big lump. That's why it's called the Sombrero Galaxy. This is the same galaxy, but in slightly longer wavelengths, what we call near-infrared light, as seen by JWST. Here, we're still getting a good amount of starlight, but you'll notice that that dust lane is a lot less noticeable. That's because dust isn't as good at blocking longer wavelengths of light, so you can see through it a little bit more. Finally, here's another JWST image, but this is looking at mid-infrared wavelengths, so even longer wavelengths, lower energy light. All of a sudden, you're not seeing light that's being blocked by dust, but a lot of this light is actually being emitted by the dust in the galaxy. So it looks completely different because you're now looking at a different thing. You're not looking so much at stars, but more at dust. When you combine the views you get from different telescopes that are sensitive to different wavelengths and thus emission from different things, you can get a complete picture of what's going on in a galaxy or anything else you want to study. These telescopes all work really well together, and it's when we combine them that we can do our best science.